In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily save a post on Facebook. So as you can see, I want to save this post right over here. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on these three dots right over here. Once you do that, click on the Save Post option. It's then going to ask you to save that post in a collection. If you don't have a collection, you can easily click on the Create Collection right over here and simply give your collection a name and then click on the Create. So once you've given or created a collection, your item will be saved in your collection. So for example, let's say I want to save another post again. I can easily click on the three dots again and then click on the this post cannot be saved. So let me look for another one. This post right over here. I can easily click on these three dots right over here and then click on the Save Post. And as you can see, it's going to give me the option to save that post in one of my collection. So you can easily then select your collection. This is the one we created, so simply click on it and your post will be saved to that collection. And if you want to find your posts, you can then easily click on these three lines right over here and then scroll down and then click on the saved option, and that should easily show you your saved posts. So that's how you can easily create, or rather that's how you can easily save your posts on Facebook.